Hello everyone, I am Linda, the Marketing Director of Suzhou Jfortune Precision Machinery Company. Our journey began with a passion for machinery and a vision to revolutionize plastic welding technology. Today, we are proud to offer advanced plastic welding machines designed to save you time and cost. At Jfortune, we believe the customer is always right. Our mission is to contribute to society's progress while ensuring happiness for our employees. Our global after-sales service in Mexico, India, USA, Germany, Hungary, Brazil, South Africa, etc. reflects our commitment to your success. We're dedicated to providing the best-in-class plastic welding machines, from hot plate and vibration welding to the latest laser plastic welding technology. Your challenges drive our innovation. Together, we build not just machines, but a future of mutual success. Thank you for choosing Jfortune.